In this guide, you'll learn how to use YouTube Create app. Let's get started. First, download this app and launch it. Click on the plus button to start a new project and instantly access videos and photos from your device, with the option to sort them by folder using the gallery option. After selecting and importing your clips, you can choose your prox aspect ratio from three-dot menu, switching between 16:9 for regular videos and 19:16 for shorts at any time during editing. Once your footage is added to the timeline, you can trim clips by dragging the edges, split them using the scissors tool, and preview everything as you go. This app includes filters, effects, adjustment tools, speed controls, and an audio cleanup feature to reduce background noise and make voices clearer, along with options like rotate, replace, rearrange, delete, and duplicate. You can also add transitions between clips, insert new clips anytime, and easily track short length using 1-minute indicator. For audio, you can add music and sound effects from the YouTube audio library, which is copyright safe and free to use. Upload your own audio, sync clips using the Find Beats feature, or record voiceovers directly in the app. Advanced features like picture-in-picture overlays allow you to stack videos and images, rearrange layers, resize elements, and position them freely. You can enhance visuals further with text, animated text effects, stickers, GIFs, emojis, and auto-generated captions that can be customized in style and animation. Once editing is complete, you can export your project by choosing your desired quality, download it to your device, upload it directly to your YouTube, or share it elsewhere. All your projects remain saved in the app, where you can rename, duplicate, delete, or continue editing them anytime, making YouTube Create a powerful all-in-one mobile editing tool. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.